For you every time I try to resist, we can get away. Come chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you.
Hey, good morning from the night there. Taking off your wings right at the end of the police fair to cap for the contract.
I did the mother thing, I did the white on that. But I think it's quite clear now. Use me.
Put it on my phone, so don't mind that. But we just got into the suite. I'm about to go ahead and start just putting my stuff out there and get prepared. Sorry for the music. Get prepared for my class. She comes at 11:30, so that's like in like 30 minutes. Go ahead and just set up everything that I need to for her before she gets here.
Let them live, look at all I'm eating. But these bitches don't be mad once I call this meeting. Cause they gotta move around once the queen is queening. About to put out all this crap cause my fiends is fiending. I put these bitches on game, she be kissing my feet. I tried to give them some press, they tried to say it was beef. It's Nicki M, such a little gem. Bitches wanna be around me, but I do not fuck with them. All these diamonds want me funded, I hope nobody gets stuck. If I pull out the Ferrari, then my shooters in the truck. I can still go to my hood, they know my body is good. $2 million to party in Saudi Arabia clubs. Popping them things to go up, and smoking Los Angeles bud. Deep bitches biting like Joe, shout out to Kimbler though. But it's the weak guards thinking that she dissing for me. I graded your homework, bitch, is it complete? You was trying to be my son, then mission complete. I'm the final level, bitch, that you on a mission to be. It's like COVID when the goat is on the track, the whole game stop. But I ain't putting with these bitches, this ain't game stop. If Barbie in the building, then she with a game stop. He ain't gonna hesitate if I tell him to change some. Just put the beauty parlor in my guest house.
Whip, body, grip, got it, die on it. Did I ever ask you to take me shopping in Paris? Sailing overseas and just break me in Gucci, no. All I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue, go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay. Just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me,
gonna go ahead and set everything up. So yeah, I haven't really been vlogging like that because I just been chilling with my man. But I'm just gonna set up everything and you guys can watch me do that.